Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedy.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you apply it in 7 days. You will get long and thickened eyebrows and eyelashes and long hair naturally with very simple ingredients at home. This magical remedy, I can promise you with, it's super effective in getting rid of any kind of hair fall you do have or thinning hair. This magical remedy will thicken the hair naturally and will get you an amazing result from first use. You will be amazed with the result, my friends. Use it at night and go to sleep. In the next morning you will be amazed with the result. It will get you thick and long and shiny hair naturally, and long and thickened eyebrows and eyelashes to the point that you will be amazed that everyone will ask you what's your secret, because this remedy works 100% and it's super effective. And let's start with the remedy. The first ingredient we need to add in a clean mixing bowl is 1 teaspoon of flax seeds, and flax seeds known for its beneficial in growing long and thickened eyebrows and eyelashes naturally. We need just 1 teaspoon of flax seeds. Then we need a magical ingredient which is onion leaves and onion skin, that like so, my friends. We need to crush it and place the onion peels. This is onion peels, and it's super effective in getting you an amazing results, my friends. I keep it always for my remedies and for using it in my hair and my eyelashes. Then, my friends, we need to add around 10 to 20 pieces of cloves, and cloves is super effective in getting you an amazing results and in getting long and thickened hair naturally. Then we're going to add a magical ingredient which is 1 sachet of green tea, and green tea contains caffeine which easily enhance the hair growth production and will get you also an amazing results. So add 1 sachet or 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves. Now we need to add hot boiling water. You can boil it on the stove if you prefer that, but I prefer to add just hot water and use it on the cold because this will get me better results. Keep stirring very well and leave the ingredients to soak in completely until the water will get cold and will get it's hot water now, and we need to leave it until it gets cold. Then, my friends, in a clean mixing bowl, after the water gets cold completely, we need to strain this magical ingredients. Like so, my friends. As you can tell, it's a little bit thick. It's not completely watery in consistency. It's a little bit thick. That's because of the flax seeds. Now we need to add the magical ingredient which is around 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel instead. Mix well the gel like so. This will grow you a new hair, baby hair, and you will not be able to manage your hair because it's going to be super thick naturally. Now, my friends, we need to add magical ingredient which is around few drops, 8 drops of castor oil. And castor oil is one of the super effective oils in growing long hair and shiny hair naturally. Now, my friends, we need to add also few drops of coconut oil, and coconut oil will get you an amazing smell and will make this super working, and it gives the hair a very super shiny, and it makes the baby hair looks an amazing and strong naturally. Then my friends, we need to add also few drops of olive oil. That much. Add same quantity of oils, my friends. Don't add like 1 teaspoon of one oil and then add half teaspoon of another oil. Try to stick to the quantities I'm giving you because it will get you an amazing result. Now try to mix very well all the ingredients because we don't want the oil to be on the sides like so. We need to mix very well. As you can tell, now we mixed very well. Apply it like so before you sleep on your eyelashes and on your eyebrows. And don't worry with the oils, my friends. You're not gonna find oils so much because it get to a gel consistency. Now apply it in the roots of your hair and wear a shower cap, and then in the next morning wash your hair normally and apply it on your eyebrows and eyelashes, and you will be amazed with the result. It grows the eyelashes and the eyebrows like magic. Keep using it for 2 months and you will be amazed with the result. For hair, you use it twice weekly, and for eyelashes and eyebrows, use it every night before you sleep. And my friends, the result will amaze you. From first week you will notice a great results, but keep using that remedy for 2 months. You will be amazed with the result, my friends. It 100% works for all people. Even if you don't have the right genetics to grow long and thicken hair, this will work for you 100%. Store it in the fridge and keep using it.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.